Alright, so it makes noise. Now we're going to see what it does over a penny. So it's telling me there's a bunch of crap in here. But it could be water lines, could be power, could be a penny. So I guess I'm hoping some metal detector people on YouTube see this. Tell me if this thing is worth the $15 and, I don't know, Harbor Freight soldering iron and solder, to see if I can find anything with it. And if you know how to use the damn thing, because I don't have any instructions, that would help also. So thanks.